Hey, what's up guys? If you want to play YouTube videos in the background on your iPhone, you need a YouTube Premium subscription. But there is a way around that using the Safari app. You don't actually need a subscription to do this. It's a bit of a process and may seem counterintuitive, but it can come in handy when it is really needed. In this video, I'll show you how to do that. Go to the YouTube app on your iPhone and search for the video that you want to play in the background. Once you have found it, just tap on these three dots and tap share and copy the link. Now go to the Safari app and just paste the link and play the video. When it is playing, just exit the app. If you lock your iPhone, you will find this playback controls on the lock screen. Tap the play button and it will resume playing. Alternatively, you can also play this video from the control center. Just swipe down and you will find the playback controls here. Just tap play, it will start playing the video. In case if it doesn't work on your iPhone, just go to the Safari app. Before you play the video, just tap on this menu button and tap on these three dots and toggle on request desktop website. Tap done and play the video, and this might work for you. Next time you want to play a video in the background, you will need to follow the same steps. You can also use this same trick on other streaming websites to play videos in the background. So thank you for watching this video. I really hope this was helpful. If so, please hit that subscribe button and I will catch you in the next video.